Updating your legal name on Heap is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Heap account by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select personal information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your legal name. Find the field that displays your current name. Enter your new legal name in the appropriate fields. Double check for any typos or errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, scroll down to find the Save or Update button. Click this button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your name has been successfully updated. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name will be updated on Heap. Be sure to check back later to confirm that the changes have been processed.